What's up guys, Patrick here from My Build Stuff. I just moved into a new house that I finished rehabbing, and I have a lot of stupid little small projects to do, so I might as well make little videos and show you how to do stuff as I do stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to put up a curtain rod and to put up curtains. I'm doing this because I'm kind of a night owl, and that the sun just like every day seems to keep rising, and it sets eventually, but it rises when I'm sleeping. I'm trying to sleep in the sun, just like have shades up or blinds up. It doesn't do much, but the sun just like blares right in my face when I'm trying to sleep. So curtain rod and blackout curtains is what I'm hanging. So show you how to hang curtain rod, show you how to hang curtains. Pretty simple. Also, if you could subscribe to me, that'd be awesome, because I'm only a few hundred subscribers away from YouTube taking me seriously. I think that's why all these YouTubers try to like get you to subscribe, because YouTube doesn't take them seriously. No one takes me seriously, but I take these curtains seriously. I'll show you how to put them up though. Here's what you need. You're gonna need a drill gun, impact drill, whatever kind of drill you got, a level. You're gonna need a pile of dirty laundry. You don't actually need that. Someone can come over and fold that for me if they want. And then curtain rod, obviously, and it comes with a little pack of hardware there. And then I have some blackout curtains. My ladder's in my garage, and I've been going back and forth with that garage all day, so I'm done with that. So I'm just gonna use my little nightstand there as my ladder. So you might need a ladder too. That's it. Oh, and I bought these curtains off Amazon. They were like 20 bucks. Kind of nice, like satin looking things. And then that curtain rod was like 18 bucks. Amazon. Yeah. So here's the hardware they gave me. Pretty simple. Really easy. You just put that on your frame or your wall, or wherever you want to put it. Little thing to screw in to hold the rod in. There's two of them, obviously one for each side. And then 4 screws, Phillips head. These rods are super simple. It's long, okay, and then one end just goes into the other, so you can adjust. Obviously, you want to measure your window before you order any of this stuff to see, to make sure it fits. That's it. Oh, and this side, this is actually kind of nifty. So you can easily put the curtain on the rod. One of the sides just pops off. You just slide it right through the curtain. It's kind of cool. Innovative. Those Chinese, they're so innovative these days. Alright, I'm standing up on my nightstand. I'm about to put these 2 pieces of hardware in. I'm going to go on the far ends of each side, because I want to block out as much sun as I possibly can. So, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put one up, screw it in. You're going to be able to see this side a little better. Then I'm going directly to the top of the frame. There's different ways to do this, but I know my frame's even and level because I put it up there. So if it's not, it's my problem. You see, I paint pictures of ghosts, and I put them on the wall. There's 2 holes in this, by the way. I'm putting one right in the middle so I can adjust it to the middle hole, and then securing it with the bottom one. It's a real life, I know. It's a real life, I know. It is. Hardware's up. Now let's put the rod up. First I'm just going to set it. Make sure I'm level here. Throw a level on. Yep. And for a level, it's level when the bubbles in the middle of the 2 lines. Alright, let's pop this off, put the curtains on. I'm assuming the front is the side with no tag. One. Two. Put it together. There it is. Let's put them up. I see ones and zeros. That's all you let me see. If it's a fantasy, it's a real life, I know. It's a real life, I know. That's it, guys. No sun is getting in my room and I can finally sleep. So subscribe, add me on Snapchat, stuff like that. I put up like 2 videos a week. I try 2 at least. See ya.